This is 2018 A-level paper MCQ question number 47. Company is planning to manufacture a type of toy. This is a production units and given budget information related to this product for given period is as follow. Direct material cost per unit is given, direct labor cost per units, and given total direct cost per units. And given here direct labor rate rupees 200 per hours. Direct labor rates. Think about here direct labor cost is given. By using those information can be calculate how many hours used for produce product. Direct labor cost is given per unit 100 and direct labor rate is given per hour. Think about direct labor rate per hour into number of hours equal direct labor cost per units. And given production overhead absorption ratio is given rupees 300 per direct labor hours. Therefore, think about absorption. And non-production overhead is given 20% of total cost. Total cost. First one, there's budgeted production overhead per units, budgeted production cost per units, and budgeted total cost per units. First one, there's budgeted production overheads. It has given direct material. Therefore, direct material part of prime cost. And direct labor cost is given 1000. Therefore, total value that is a prime cost per units. Prime cost per unit equal 3300. Then think about production overheads. Production overhead, how to calculate? It has given overhead absorption ratio is given 300 per direct labor hours. Per direct labor hours. Number of direct labor hours is not given, but direct labor cost is given 1000 per units and given direct labor rate 200 per hour. Therefore, think about 1000 direct labor cost per units. Direct labor hours rate is given per hour 200. Per hour rate into number of hours can be calculated direct labor cost. Therefore, 1000 divided by 200, that is the number of hours. Therefore, direct labor hours, 5 hours use for produce. Then it has given absorption ratio 300 per direct labor hour. Therefore, 300 into 5. This is a production overheads. Production overhead value equal 1500. Prime cost plus production overhead equal production cost per units. Therefore, production cost per unit equal 4800. Then total cost included production cost as well as non-production cost. It has given non-production overhead 20% of the total cost. Total cost means this value. If total cost 100, overhead equal 20%, it means production cost equal 80%. If total cost 100, it has given 20% of the total cost, non-production overheads. Therefore, non-production overhead equal 20% of total cost. If total cost 100, therefore non-production overhead equal 20%. It means balance part equal production cost. Therefore, production cost equal here 80. Therefore, now can we calculate non-production overheads 4800 divided by 80 into 20. Therefore, 4800 divided by 80 into 20. 1200. Therefore, this is the total cost per unit. Total cost per unit equal rupees 6000. Think about this one important. Non-production overhead equal 20% of the total cost. Total cost is not given, but we have calculated production cost per units. Think how to calculate non-production overheads. Then recommend one, there's budgeted production overhead per units. Production overheads. This is production overhead per unit equal production overheads rupees 1500. Rupees 1500 and budgeted production cost per units. production cost. This is a production cost meant equal 4,800. And next one, they ask budgeted total overhead per units. Total overhead per units. Budgeted total overheads. This is production overhead 1,500. Production overhead equal 1,500 plus non-production overhead equal 1,200. Therefore, production budgeted total overhead per unit equal production overhead as well as non-production overheads 2,700. Therefore, this is the requirement. Think about prime cost, production overheads. It has given absorption ratio, but not given number of direct labor hour per units. But it has given direct labor cost per unit and labor rate per unit is given per hour. Then can be calculate number of hours used for produce product, number of direct labor hours can be calculated.